Imagine a world without dinosaurs. Before these magnificent creatures ruled the Earth, our planet had already experienced billions of years of transformation. It was a time of fiery beginnings, ancient oceans, and the rise of strange and mysterious life forms. Today, we travel back in time to explore the incredible story of Earth before dinosaurs, a story that shaped the world as we know it. Our journey begins 4.6 billion years ago, with the birth of Earth. In the chaos of the early solar system, collisions between rocks and debris created a fiery, molten planet. This young Earth was hostile, with temperatures so high that no life could survive. But from this chaos came the seeds of a remarkable story. As Earth cooled, water vapor condensed into rain, falling for thousands of years and forming vast oceans. These primordial seeds became the cradle of life. By around 3.5 billion years ago, the first signs of life appeared in the form of single-celled microorganisms known as prokaryotes. These tiny organisms thrived in the oceans, setting the stage for one of the most significant events in Earth's history. One group of microorganisms, called cyanobacteria, began producing oxygen through photosynthesis. Over millions of years, these tiny life forms transformed Earth's atmosphere, leading to the Great Oxygenation Event around 0.4 billion years ago. This was a turning point, as oxygen made it possible for more complex forms of life to evolve. However, it also caused mass extinctions among organisms that couldn't survive in an oxygen-rich environment. After billions of years of single-celled life, around 600 million years ago, something extraordinary happened. Life became more complex, and the first multicellular organisms emerged. This period, known as the Ediacaran era, gave rise to strange, soft-bodied creatures that lived in the oceans. Among them were Dickinsonia, an oval-shaped organism thought to be one of the earliest animals. Then, approximately 541 million years ago, life on Earth exploded in diversity during the Cambrian period, known as the Cambrian explosion. This era saw the rapid evolution of a wide variety of life forms. The seas were filled with bizarre creatures like Trilobites, anomalocaries, and hallucigenia. This was the dawn of complex ecosystems and the foundation of the food chains we see today. Among the many new species that evolved during this time were the first vertebrates, jawless fish. These small, primitive creatures, like haikuachus, were the ancestors of all vertebrate animals, including humans. The oceans had become a vibrant, bustling ecosystem, but life had yet to conquer the land. Around 470 million years ago, plants began to venture onto land. These early plants, such as mosses and liverworts, were simple and small, but they transformed the barren landscapes into green oases. With the arrival of plants, Earth's atmosphere became even richer in oxygen, creating conditions for more life to thrive. Following the plants came the first animals to set foot on land. Around 400 million years ago, arthropods like millipedes and early insects began to explore terrestrial environments. These creatures were followed by amphibians, which evolved from fish with primitive lungs and limbs. By the Carboniferous period, around 360 million years ago, Earth was a lush, swampy paradise. The Carboniferous period is often called the Age of Forests. Towering trees like lycophytes and ferns dominated the landscape, creating vast coal swamps. Insects grew to enormous sizes due to the high oxygen levels, with dragonflies boasting wingspans of up to 2 feet. Amphibians flourished, and the first reptiles began to emerge, marking a new phase in evolution. But Earth's history is not without its challenges. Around 252 million years ago, at the end of the Permian period, the planet experienced the most devastating mass extinction event in its history, known as the Great Dying. This event wiped out nearly 90% of all species. Massive volcanic eruptions, climate shifts, and oceanic anoxia reshaped the planet, paving the way for the rise of new life forms. In the aftermath of this extinction, life slowly recovered. The stage was set for a new era, the Mesozoic, or the Age of Dinosaurs. But before that age began, Earth's early History laid the groundwork for everything that came after. From single-celled organisms to towering forests, the pre-dinosaur era was a time of incredible transformation and resilience. Earth, before dinosaurs, was a world of fire, water, and evolution. It was a time of extraordinary change and the foundation of life as we know it. What other secrets might the ancient Earth still hold? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories about our planet's incredible history.